It's a new year, a new beginning. So I'll make this practical. If you have goals for this year, but you don't have a weekly plan, you don't have goals, you have stress. So I'm going to give you a few steps from a simple real estate business plan system that turns goals into appointments. And if you want the full version, comment map and tell me listings or buyers, and I'll personally send you my full agent success map. Step 1, your goal has to become math. What's your income goal this year? And what's your average commission per closing after splits? Take your goal, divide by your average commission. And now you have your closings number. Step 2, look at your last 6 to 10 deals. Where did they come from? This is the part almost nobody does, and it's the fastest way to stop guessing. Because your business is already telling you what works. And here's what's wild. Most agents are shocked when they do this, because it's usually 80% from one source. If most of your deals came from your database and past clients, we don't reinvent you this year. We maximize that. If they came from open houses, we build a repeatable open house system. If they came from a proactive lead source, expired, FISBOs, circle prospecting, probate, agent referrals, online leads, we pick the one that fits you and we work it consistently. And if you're newer and you don't have 6 to 10 deals yet, start with your database. Everyone has one. Friends, family, neighbors, coworkers, and your phone contacts. Then choose 2 additional lead sources you can commit to. A simple, proven setup is database, open houses, and 1 proactive spoke, like circle prospecting, FISBOs, expired, probate, or agent-to-agent referrals. Step 3, decide your focus. Do you want more listings, more buyer sides, or a balanced mix? Because listings are leverage. They create momentum. They create sign calls. They create open house traffic. They create buyer opportunities. Step 4, set your standards. Because goals don't create results, standards do. A daily money block, a daily conversations target, a weekly appointments target. And here's the truth, that's only 4 steps. Inside my full agent success map, there are 12 total steps, including your weekly schedule, your follow-up system, your pipeline stages, your scoreboard, and the weekly review process that keeps you consistent even when life gets busy. So again, comment map and tell me listings or buyers, and I'll personally send you the full agent success map. I'm only sending it out over the next few weeks while everyone is planning and building momentum. And if you want help installing it for your market, book a free strategy call with me. The link is in the description below. We'll set your numbers, pick your spokes, lock in your schedule, and plug in the proven systems that support your goals. And if you're not ready for a call, no worries, just comment map and I'll send you the agent success map.